Hi everyone, I'm Vivian from Soul Story, and today we are going to do a natural DIY facial. It's a very simple DIY that you could do at home, and it's really affordable as it only involves one ingredient, oatmeal. This is a great facial for those who have dry combination skin, as well as people who have irritated, acne-prone skin. The reason why we're using oatmeal today is that it contains a lot of antioxidants as well as anti-inflammatory properties that help moisturize your skin while soothing and calming the skin, and that's really helpful for those with acne. You're going to prepare the oatmeal like as if you're going to have a meal, and while it's cooling down, you're going to wash your face with your Soul Story Purifying Cleansing Foam that's pH balanced. And after you dry your skin, you're going to apply your oatmeal, and it does get a little messy, so it does help to just lay down on a towel and apply it. Make sure you apply it on your face and your neck. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, and afterwards rinse with lukewarm water and then pat dry. Make sure you don't rub, and most importantly, moisturize within 60 seconds after your facial. And you will notice a difference in terms of your skin texture. And for those with acne, it will take a little longer, perhaps 2 or 3 weeks after using a gentle cleanser as well as this natural facial. I do hope you find this helpful, and if you have any questions, drop us a message and don't forget to follow us. Have a great day. Bye for now.